before we move on to more comments, there's one draft setting I just want to cover. And if you go to your function 3 unsnap, and if you right click, right now I have everything is checked, is turned on. So if I don't have midpoint turned on, and I still have the object snap turned on. So you will see if I try to do something to the midpoints, I couldn't snap on it. That's because it's not on, it's not checked. So same thing if I turn off the center, and I cannot snap the center of the circle. So on snap, it's O snap, it's object snap. It's, you need to know what is snapping on and what is checked, what is unchecked. And you will have your own setting, and when you draw, and you probably will set up differently. So everybody will set up differently. It's draft setting. You can go back to change it. All right, next command, it's spline. So over here, it's back to the draw. The first two is spline. One is spline fit, one is spline CV. So that's fits. So all the point I clicks is fit on the spline. And so if I do the spline CV, it's control vertex. You see, it's not on all those points. It's on the outside of the, it's a control CV. Control vertex over there. This is fit. So you can do different way. And the good thing is, if you see that's an arrow drop down list, you can change it to control vertex. You can change this to fit. So you can draw spline different way. And the next command is called divide. If I want to divide a circle to 6 parts, so you can type, I believe it's div and div, divide, and select the circle. It will ask you the number of segments. I would say 6, and enter. So you see nothing happened, but actually there's some nodes it dropped. So this is points was divided. So if you want that point show up differently, so you can do point type, p type. This point style will show up. Right now it's a dot. You can change to this and hit OK. So it show up. So you can divide not just pretty much everything you can divide. So 10, div, So this length will equal to that length. So let's divide. And if this happened to you when your computer is, when you draw a circle, but it's show up very like more like facets kind of setup. If your circle show up something like this, you want to run the command so regen, and it will redraw everything on your screen. This happens when the CAD try to speed up the drawing, and when it happens, you need to remember this regen. Pretty much that's the command. Then we will continue with plotting and CTB.